A rectangular area of land is being sold off into smaller pieces. The total area of land is 2 to the 15th square miles. The pieces being sold are 8 to the 3rd square miles in size. How many smaller pieces of land can be sold at the stated size? Compute the actual number of pieces. In order to do this, we need to be able to have them in the same base so that we can compare them. So, when it's being sold off into smaller pieces, that means the land is being divided up. I'm going to do it up here just so I have a little bit more space to show it. What's another way to write 8? How about 2 times 2 times 2? We learned that yesterday. Okay. Well, that's the same as 2 to the 3rd times 2 to the 3rd times 2 to the 3rd. Because each one of these is to the 3rd power. And up here, we learned that if the same base is being multiplied together, we add the exponents. Well, 3 plus 3 plus 3 is 9. And we also learned up here that when you divide the same base, you subtract the exponents. So 2 to the 15 minus 9 gives us 2 to the 6th. And 2 to the 6th is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. That would be 4, 8, 16, 32, 64. So when it says how many smaller pieces of land can be sold at the stated size, it is 64 pieces of land.